This tutorial will show you how to grade an assessment using an add-on from Flubaroo. The first thing you need to do is, once you have all your responses, is go to your add-ons section and open the tab and click Get Add-ons. It's going to bring you to a new screen, and what we're going to be searching for is Flubaroo. Mine just so happened to pop up on the menu, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. And this is a free add-on, so all you have to do is add it. And you're going to give permission for it to run by clicking Allow at the bottom of the screen. And now you'll see that Flubaroo has been added to my screen. So I can go ahead and open that up. And I'm going to select Grade Assignment. And from here, I'm going to look at my questions and see how I want to do this. Now, all the questions, you're going to want to choose how you want it grading. You can skip it. You can do normal grading, grade by hand. So if you have something that can have more than one answer, that would be the best option for you. And then you also have the Identify Student option, so that won't be graded. So anything that might identify your student, such as the name, which is this question down here that I have, you want to select Identify Student so that the program knows not to grade that. So I'm all set. These first 4 questions are all questions I want graded. I have my student identifier, so I'm going to go ahead and select Continue. And now I'm going to select which person I want to do as the answer key. It's important that you yourself as the teacher answer the question so that you have something to grade by. So I put my name as Miss Key, so I knew that that was me and that's who I wanted to use as the answer key. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Click Continue. And now Flubaroo is doing its thing and grading the assignment for you. And as we wait for it to run, it'll tell you when it's complete, which here it is. So we'll go ahead and X out of that. And now you see I have the grades for the students that took this test. It gives you all of the summaries up in the corner, the average points per question, how many students took the test, and then down here is the actual responses and whether or not they got points. You can always go back and manually change this if you decide that you want to give the student points for that question. And you can just go ahead and click it, update it, hit enter, and it'll update everything else on the screen as well. So you'll see the student's grade went from 50%, and if I change it again, to a 75 because I added the extra points. And that's how you'd use Flubaroo to grade assignments on Google Forms.